You are looking at the Tac-Force TF-756BS. This is a 4.5-inch closed tactical folding knife. Has a black half serrated blade, easily opened by the assisted opening lever here. As you can see, there is half serration. Easily closed by the locking and unlocking mechanism here in the middle. And as you can tell, it does have the black and silver pistol shaped handle. This particular model also comes with a black on black pistol shaped handle. It also comes with a desert military TF-756DG and a digital camo, the TF-756DM. Again, this was the TF-756BS for Master Cutlery.